Solid marketing advice when dealing with email. Everyone knows that in order to have a successful business, it's important to employ good marketing strategies. While there are many ways to market your products, email marketing is a great way to utilize the internet and reach an unlimited target market. Read on to discover ways to use email marketing in your business. Test the different formats of emails. Keeping your most vital information near the top is important in any layout you try. You should also test out different formats and determine which format your readers respond to the most. When you know which format works the best, stick with it. Your customers will be more comfortable with something that is useful and familiar to them. Provide your customers with useful tips or information in each marketing newsletter. Think of the newsletter as an opportunity to demonstrate your expertise in your field. Your customers will trust you more when they see how much you know and will be more likely to buy products or services from you. If you want your email marketing messages to flow out across the internet to people's inboxes, consider where you are sending them from. Sent frequently from known and stable IP addresses is best. Sudden surges from new IP locations can raise suspicions and even result in blocks and blacklists from ISPs. To get the most out of each email you send, try to focus each message on a single clear, concise message. Your readers should know what you are trying to say within the first few seconds of watching the message. Give them a call to action that is clear, and that they can easily respond to. As you can see, email marketing can be an effective marketing method for any business when used properly. By utilizing the internet, you are reaching countless potential customers outside of your local area. Use the tips above to kickstart your email marketing campaign and begin turning a profit in your business. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.